Holy crap! Whoa, that's some big hail. If I can get some. Woo! That's some big hail. So I can't wait for like a big one. Good gosh! That is some big hail. Can you see them? They're about quarter size. Yeah, you can see them. Woo! That's crazy. I want to run out there, but my better judgment tells me no. Woo! It's getting worse. See that big one right there? It's about dollar size. Holy moly! Luckily, my truck is hail resistant. Oh crap! Do they still have their? Oh man, that would stink. Oh wait, it's gone. Yeah, I forgot. Whoa! Look at this! Look at these hail. This one right here, that's a piece of hail. That's huge. Holy mackerel. But I gotta power this down. I gotta power that down. Oh man! That's some nuts stuff. Look at the trees out there swinging. The tree line over here, it should be about right here. Holy moly! Well, I'm gonna stay away from them windows. That window down there is getting destroyed. Holy mackerel! Whoa! That's unbelievable. Wow. Looks like snow. Wow. Leaves and stuff blowing through the air. Look, you can barely see down the block. This yard right here, this is a fence. The yard just behind that is only 3 houses down. So you can see that's the second house. No, that's the third house. Wait, let me see. Let me get oriented. Okay, second, third, fourth, fifth. You can barely see the fifth house down. Fifth house down. That's all hail. Look at this roof. That's some big hail. Holy moly. I've never seen a hailstorm this big. Ever. The truck bed is filled up. I don't want to get too close to this. I think I'm good here. This awning has got me pretty protected. Look at this. Oh, it looks like look at the gutters. Looks like it's calming down. Yeah, it's calming down now. Holy moly! That's unbelievable. I'm young, so I've never seen this before. You know, not this bad at least. Wow, look at the street. It's all whitewashed in my camera because it's all white. Oh man. I want to go out there, but shotgun slug-sized hail is still falling down. Look at all the. Oh man, I'm gonna be doing raking tomorrow. Look at this. Look at all this. That's crazy. That is nuts. I came up here barefoot too. Dummy. Colorado spring weather. Alright, I think I'm going to go ahead and cut this video off. It looks like it's about done as far as getting hit real hard. Us getting hit real hard. Yeah, I'm going to go downstairs and check on the dog. This is Iron Ginkgo. Thanks for watching. Man, that is crazy. Crazy. No hail damage on Old Con. Look at the gutters. I don't know if you can see them. I'm gonna get pelted. But oh well. Wow! Look at this one. Wow! Woohoo! That's cold on my feet! Look at this. It's a river. It's a gosh darn river. Oh, just got hit by one. Looks like I'm walking on frozen marbles. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Bye-bye.